Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to create the perfect aesthetic study space without constantly begging your parents for money or spending your entire pocket money on expensive stationery decor from TikTok. Let's face it, studying is hard. It would be easier if we all had cutesy aesthetic desks like all the study influencers on TikTok and Pinterest. But there's just one little problem. Most of us don't have lots of money. And those super cozy study desks and pegboards and decorations, they cost a lot of money. When you put these things together, it can feel like it's impossible to get good grades. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to make your dream study space on a budget using what you already have at home. Let's get into it. First, pick a study spot. This can be anywhere in your house. It just needs to be easily accessible and where you can keep all your study stuff. It should have two things. First, it should be quiet. So basically, don't try to study in the living room because you know it'll always be noisy. It should also be a place you can focus without distractions. So don't pick the kitchen because the food there will tempt you to sneak a bite every few minutes. And definitely don't pick your bed because we all know how that'll end. Instead, pick a nice quiet corner of the house like the dining table or a corner of your bedroom. Now we can move on. Next, gather your study items. Now that you have your space, bring everything you'll need to study. This includes your notebooks, textbooks, pens, highlighters, and of course, water. Try to get all your materials in one place before you sit down. That way you won't be getting up every 5 minutes to find something and end up distracted. Step 3. Set up your desk. Don't have a fancy desk? No problem. Use what you've got. You can use a simple table for studying, even if it's old. Just throw a clean tablecloth or fabric over it to make it look cuter and hide any scratches or stains. No desk at all? You can still study. Use your dining table or set up a little spot on your bedroom floor. Just grab a small pillow to sit on and lean your back against the wall for support. You can even use another pillow or a tray as a desk to write on. The point is to create a small, calm corner that's all yours. Next, lighting. Good lighting is super important for proper reading. Studying in a dark room can make you sleepy. Plus, it's bad for your eyes. You don't need a fancy LED lamp, just use what you have. You can use a bedside lamp, a flashlight, or even your phone's torchlight. Just make sure you can see clearly and you'll be fine. Moving on to affordable decorating. Finally, it's time for the fun part, making your study space aesthetic. And no, we're not spending $100 on a stationery haul from AliExpress. One affordable way to liven up your study area is with sticky notes. You can draw little doodles, write quotes from your favorite books, or even motivational words like, keep going, or almost done. Stick them to the wall or table where you can see them while you study. It adds personality and motivation. Next, use some DIY crafts to decorate your desk. You can find super easy tutorials on YouTube and Pinterest. All you need is some cardboard paper, scissors and glue, and you can make yourself some paper flowers, mini desk organizers, or bits of origami decor like birds and boats. These small things might not seem like a lot, but they'll make your space feel special, and that's what matters. Another tip is use cuter stationery. If you can afford it, switch out your boring school pens and books for cuter ones just for studying. Now, I'm not saying you need to buy a dozen different pens in 4 different colors. Just get 1 or 2 notebooks with cute covers and 1 or 2 colored pens and pencils. If you really can't afford that, just use your regular notebooks, but make cute stickers to cover the front page and make it cuter. Now let's make the perfect setup for reading. Wear headphones while you study, especially if your home is noisy. You don't have to listen to full music tracks when you study. Playing white noise, lo-fi beats, or soft background sounds can keep your brain focused while blocking out all the house drama. And if music distracts you, just wear the headphones with nothing playing. People are less likely to bother you if they think you're listening to something. Genius. I know. Finally, don't be afraid to change your reading station every few days or weeks. You might get bored seeing the same wall every day, and that's normal. You can shift your desk to another part of the room, change the decorations, or even rotate the items you keep on your desk for a fresh feel. This keeps things exciting and helps you avoid burnout from staring at the same corner every single day. Just because you don't have a viral Pinterest study desk doesn't mean you can't create a beautiful and productive space. Let this be motivation for you to study harder, so one day you can afford all the cute aesthetic stuff you want. You're building your future right now, and it'll be better someday. Trust me. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more school and lifestyle tips.